Hello guys, good morning. How are you guys? How are you everyone? Kain tayo guys. May mais tayo guys. Early morning, early blessings. Ayun. Thank you so much. Kumusta kayo guys? Kumustang morning nyo guys? I hope you have a good morning. Ayun, nakaligo na tayo guys. Feel fresh na tayo today guys kasi busy na naman ako guys. Today. Kain tayo. Mais. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. See you next. Have a blessed day ahead and keep safe everyone. Maraming salamat guys. Love you all. Thank you so much. And God bless us. See you next. Bye. Yun lang. Thank you.